Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that double reduction motor that I got running. Came in that box of parts. And I'm getting ready to transplant it into a Commodore Vanderbilt. This is an old wind-up conversion. And I filled the slot in the top and the hole in the side, whoops, with epoxy putty, and then just sprayed over it. Now, I was originally going to paint this white. It's got dirt all over. That's one bad thing about using white paint. As soon as you touch it with a dirty thumb, it just really shows up. Anyway, I painted this white. I was going to use it for a Red Cross engine, but it just comes out looking Swiss once you put the red crosses on them. So anyway, I'm going to put that double reduction motor in this old Commodore Vanderbilt. So the very first thing we have to do, of course, is we have to swap out this front crossbar on this double reduction motor. The crossbar for the Commodore Vanderbilt is about 1/8 of an inch wider, as you can see. And there's no real way to cheat except by using longer screws. And you can do that, but it's easier if you have the crossbar. It only takes a second to swap this out. So put it over the push rods, push the push rods forward, there we go. So put it over the push rods, line it up on the pegs, and then just recrimp these. There we go. So notice it has no light, which makes it the perfect application to use. Here's that epoxy putty, as you see where I plugged the hole. Anyway, so I can just wire this directly to the bulb for now and drop this motor in it. I just want to see how it's going to run in here. So pinch that down, grab a piece of tape. I'll just do this real crude so I can get it on the rail and see how it'll run with this motor in it. So, piece of tape. Quick and dirty. Good enough for now. So we drop it into the shell. Grab a couple of screws here. Just put the screws in it, and it's ready to run. So it's really simple to convert a wind-up Commodore Vanderbilt to an electric Commodore Vanderbilt. It only takes a few minutes. You can get the wind-up Commodore Vanderbilts on eBay cheap, especially if they're broken. You can get them for $10, $8, $6. And then look for a Marx 400 or some other engine that you can take the engine or take the motor out of. Change out that front crossbar with the wind-up motor, and you have an instant electric Commodore Vanderbilt. This should run quite well. Double reduction motor, it has a lot of heft to it. So, I christened this one Moby Dick. I had a girlfriend that thought Moby Dick was a disease that sailors got. Anyway, I'm going to be painting this blue, probably. I'm thinking about doing some experiments, seeing what kind of decals I can put on this. So anyway, this was just an experiment, really. And had, I don't know, 3 or 4 different motors in this. So I just wanted to do a quick video. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.